Brightline is the only privately owned intercity railroad in the United States. Designed by HNTB for Brightline, the East-West Connector is a 38-mile expansion completing the 235-mile route. Passengers can now travel from Orlando International Airport to Miami in just 3 hours and 25 minutes. The project, delivered on time, on budget, and to the highest standard of quality, features 32 new bridges and advanced communication and signal systems. A smart train station at Orlando International Airport was constructed while navigating a complicated maze of utilities. The East-West Connector reduces congestion by removing 3 million vehicles from Florida highways annually, improves air quality by eliminating 72 metric tons of CO2, and promotes safety with grade-separated transportation modes. It injects $6.4 million into Florida's economy while creating more than 2,000 post-construction jobs. Brightline, Florida has set a new standard for regional transportation. The American Society of Civil Engineers is proud to recognize the Brightline, Florida East-West Connector as a 2025 OCEA Honor Award.